Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another work from home job lead for you. Today's job lead is from the website known as Ancestry.com. I know a lot of you have probably seen the commercials on the TV or heard about it, seen the advertisements. They've been around for quite a few years. They are hiring a customer solutions associate. Now, this is remote within the United States. This is a full-time position, but they are looking for somebody to join their team to help provide technical support to guide members through their journey and advise them on how to use the service. So this is going to be on the phone call center type environment where you're working from home, but you are going to be on the phones. This position is Monday through Friday. Their shifts, you'll have different shifts throughout the day, but their hours are 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. So you'll be given different shifts. So one day you might work the early shift and one day you might work the evening shift. However, it is Monday through Friday. There are no weekends required, but of course you'll just support the members through live chat, email, and phone channels, providing relevant support and advice on their subscriptions and accounts. You'll achieve and maintain targets against customer service, sales and retention efficiency, quality assurance, and issue resolution targets. You'll help build that positive experience with the customers while navigating many different software applications simultaneously, so you will need to be able to multitask. Now, if this sounds like something you are interested in, they are not requiring any kind of degree. They're looking for somebody who has a passion for customer service, who enjoys meeting challenges and targets with enthusiasm and positivity, someone who is a problem solver. You have to have the ability to effectively recommend products to potential customers, and someone, of course, who has great written and verbal communication skills. Now, they are paying $15 an hour for this position. Alright, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave anything specific that you're looking for down in the comments. I do read those and keep that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.